So you've decided to do it. You're going to build your own gaming PC. It's an exciting, rewarding experience that gives you a machine perfectly tailored to you. But let's be honest, it's also terrifying. You're about to handle hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars worth of delicate components. What if you break something? What if the parts aren't compatible? What if it just doesn't turn on? As your savvy tech advisor, my goal today is to erase that fear. We're going to cover the 5 biggest and most common mistakes first-time builders make, so you can build your PC with total confidence. The number 1 biggest mistake is an unbalanced build. This is when you spend way too much money on one part, like a flagship CPU, and not enough on another, like your graphics card. It's like buying a race car engine and putting it in a minivan. For gaming, your graphics card is the most important component. A balanced build makes sure your CPU and GPU are appropriate partners, so you're not wasting money on performance you can't use. Mistake number 2, skimping on the power supply. The power supply unit, or PSU, is the least exciting part to buy, so it's the first place people try to save money. This is a catastrophic error. A cheap, low-quality PSU can be unreliable, inefficient, and in a worst-case scenario, it can fail and take your entire expensive system with it. Never cheap out on the heart of your PC. Number 3 is a classic rookie mistake, buying incompatible parts. You buy a brand new AMD processor, but the motherboard you bought has an Intel socket. Or you buy super fast DDR5 RAM, but your motherboard only supports DDR4. These parts are not interchangeable, and it's a heartbreaking moment when you realise they don't fit. Always, always, always double check that your CPU, motherboard and RAM are compatible with each other before you buy. Mistake number 4 is simple, forgetting about airflow. You've assembled all your amazing new parts, but you haven't thought about how the heat they generate is going to get out of the case. A PC case with bad airflow is a hotbox that will cause your components to thermal throttle, slowing themselves down to avoid overheating. Make sure your case has a clear path for air to come in from the front and exit out the back or top. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring the hidden costs. You've perfectly budgeted for all your components, but you forgot one thing. You still need an operating system. A license for Windows can add another $100 or more to your total build cost if you don't factor it in from the start. So, to recap, create a balanced build. Buy a quality power supply. Check your compatibility, plan your airflow, and budget for your OS. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your first PC build will be a massive success. For more deep dive guides from the Logic Lair, make sure you subscribe.